Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to reset Brostrend AC1200 Wi-Fi extender. We will walk through the easy and short steps that help you to reset the Brostrend AC1200 extender within 2 minutes. So watch this video till the end. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the Brostrend AC1200 extender. Resetting the Brostrend AC1200 Wi-Fi extender is necessary to resolve connectivity issues, remove incorrect settings, or restore default configurations if the device malfunctions. It helps when you forget login credentials, experience slow speeds, or face difficulties connecting to your router. So let's start the reset process. First of all, power on the extender and ensure it is plugged into a power source. Locate the reset button on the extender, usually a small hole labeled reset. Use a paper clip or pin to press and hold the reset button for 8 to 10 seconds until the power LED blinks. Release the button and wait for the steady LED light. The extender is now reset to its factory default settings. After the reset, you'll need to reconfigure the extender by connecting it to your router again. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.